hopefully we'll be able to see them, but I put this up like a week ago, and I've already got 2 hummingbirds protecting it from others. And, oh, there he is, right there, chilling. What's up, dude? Oh, there he goes. I hear another one on the other tree across the street, and then there's this guy here. And there's another one up above. Oh, oh, oh my God! He's right there. He is. Look at that. There he is. What's up, little dude? What up, buddy? So he was chattering at me all last week in the tree while I was doing yard work. So I kind of came out and I went to the store and got the bird feeder and put it up, and here we are. I got a little hummingbird bro. And he's got a girlfriend too, because there's 2 of them. Yeah. Oh, well, I lost it now. Where'd he go? He's so small. I can't. There he is. Oh, another one just flew him. Must be the. Man, but he's so cool. I like him. Makes me happy. Got a healthy little ecosystem at my house. Oh, bird bro. It's fucking cool. Makes me stoked.